we are going to solve this question. From a solid circular cylinder with a seam height of 10 centimeter. This is our question. From a solid circular cylinder. This is our cylinder. This is our cylinder with a height of 10 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter and a radius of the base of 6 centimeter, and its radius is 6 centimeter. A right, and next sentence is a right circular cone of same height. Right circular cone is cone of the same height and same base is removed. Okay. So this is our cylinder and its height is 10 centimeter and its radius is 6 centimeter. We are going to find base is removed. So we are going to find remaining solid. We are going to apply this formula. First, volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and subtract volume of cone. So this is our volume of cone, and we are going to solve this. This is our LCM 3, and 3 pi r square h minus pi r square h, subtract it, 2 pi r square h divide by 3, and going to solve it. Put the value pi equal to 22 by 7 and r square into 6 into 6 and h is 10 centimeter. Divide by 3 and solve that. 3 2 ja 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 10, divide by 7. 22 into 2 equal to 44 and into 2 equal to 88 equal to 10. 880 multiply by 6, 0, 6 4 ja 6 8 ja 48, 8 and 6 8 ja 48, add 4, 52. 5280 divide by 7. This is our remaining solid. This is our volume of remaining solid. And next question is, and next line is, find the volume of remaining solid. This is clear. And also find the surface area. And next question is, find the surface area. So what is the formula of cylinder? Surface area of cylinder. The surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r L. 2 pi RH plus pi r square H plus pi r L इक्वल टू रूट अंडर H स्क्वायर प्लस में R स्क्वायर. Put the value of pi r h plus pi r square and pi r root under r square plus h. 2 into value of pi equal to 22 by 7 into r is 6 centimeter and h is 10 centimeter plus pi r square, value of pi is 22 by 7 and r square is r square is 6 centimeter. 6 into 6 plus pi 22 by 7 and r is 6 centimeter root under pi r square h. It is h equal to 10 centimeter. Here is our h. H equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter square of 10 centimeter plus square of r radius. Radius is 6 centimeter. Here is 6 centimeter square. Square of 6 centimeter. So solve this. Solve it. 2 multiply 22 6 into 10. We are going to common this number 22 by 7 into 6, 22 by 7 into 6, 22 by 7 into 6. This is our common number. Remaining number is 2 into 10 plus 6 plus square of 10 equal to 100 plus square of 6 equal to 36. Multiply this number 22 multiply by 6 132 divide by 7. 2 multiply by 10 equal to 20. 6 plus root under 163. 1 2 3 divide by 7 into 26 plus root under 163. We are going to multiply this number 132 multiply by 26. 7 2 2 is 4 2 3 is 6 2 2 3 4 3 divide by 7. 2 4 3 2 divide by 7 plus 136. This is our surface area and this is our answer.